Alright, so this is the job today. We're gonna bring in some river rock, freshen up this bank right there, and then put it all the way around the side. So, what we got in the trailer so far, we're gonna make 2 loads, knock this out. Phase 1 of this job's done. It's starting to rain again. So we got to come back and put the bigger rock in on this other bank. By these cypress trees over there. It's too steep. And we got white river rock all the way around. It's a whitish brown river rock. It's wet right now. But we went all the way around this. It's about 10 yards of river rock so far. And we need probably 2 more. And we got the Dodge out here putting in some work. So, I'll tell you guys, once we get this done, we're gonna get maybe a week or 2, get some bigger rocks to put around this thing right here. But this is all done smooth.